Welcome to Yellow Art Health, where we blend wellness, creativity, in the pursuit of becoming 1% better every day. If anxiety has been clouding your mind or your thoughts feel heavy and overwhelming, this 10-minute guided meditation is here to help you reset and find calm. Even just a few quiet minutes can shift your entire day. So take this time for yourself. No pressure, no expectations. Just presence, peace, and stillness. Find a comfortable position. Close your eyes, and let's begin. Grounding the body. Do a deep breath in through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth. Again, inhale and exhale. Feel the weight of your body gently settling into the ground beneath you. Let go of any tension in your face, your shoulders, your hands. With each exhale, allow yourself to soften just a little more. You are safe here. You are supported. Breath awareness. Now, gently bring your awareness to your breath. Notice the rise and fall of your chest. No need to change anything. Just observe. Breathing in and breathing out. If thoughts come up, that's okay. Just gently return to your breath. Each inhale brings in calm. Each exhale releases tension. Body scan for relaxation. Let's scan the body, inviting ease into each part. Bring your attention to your forehead. Let it soften. Now your jaw. Unclench and release. Feel your neck and shoulders. Allow them to drop away from your ears. Move down to your chest. Feel it rise and fall. Relax your stomach, your hips, your legs, all the way to your feet. Your whole body is beginning to feel lighter, softer, calmer, letting go of anxiety. Picture your anxious thoughts as leaves floating down a stream. One by one, allow each thought to drift by. No need to chase or fix them. Just observe and let go. You are not your thoughts. You are the calm awareness behind them. Breathe in calm. Breathe out stress. You are doing enough. You are enough. Affirmations for calm. Now, gently repeat these affirmations in your mind, or out loud if you'd like. I am safe in this moment. I release what I cannot control. I trust in my ability to find peace. I choose calm over worry. I am grounded. I am present. I am at ease. Feel the truth of these words sink into your being. Slowly begin to bring your awareness back to your body. Wiggle your fingers, your toes. Gently roll your shoulders or stretch if you like. Take one last deep breath in and out, and when you're ready, open your eyes. You've just given yourself the gift of presence and peace. Take this calm with you as you move through the rest of your day. Thank you for meditating with me. Be well.